dive into the foundation, which is the types of meetings that exist. One type is a brainstorming meeting. And as it suggests, it has to do with brainstorming. This is where you are bringing a department together, or you're bringing people from multiple entities together, and you want to brainstorm. The next type is informational. That is where something new needs to be shared with you. A new software program, a new policy, a new procedure. The third type of meeting is situational. This is one of the types of meetings you can't actually plan for because a situation has just occurred. And then the fourth type of meeting is a status update. And this is where team meetings come in. In essence, those are the 4 basic types of meetings that are out there.